Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna make an owl. So let's start. You can start with a pig. Then the eyes going up and down. Then close the gap. The other one going up, down, almost at the same level at the first point. Then going a bit more down and up. Add a circle in each eye. Now, around the eyes, you can make a shape similar to the eye, but in a zigzag shape. So you can make an appearance that is covered by feathers. Three big feathers at the top. Now we can complete the head. Make a line at the top. Then going down. Then the body. Let's do the wing. Complete the body. And the foot with two big nails. The other foot. Now around the body and the head, you can make small lines for a feather appearance. To one side, in the forehead. Now you can make a mouse with the mouth open. Make the nose, the head, the ear, the mouth. The eye. and you can add the arms and the legs. Finally, the tail. Small lines around the mouse to give an appearance that is scared. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!